Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I'm going to be hosting a collab opportunity. This is for Random Act of Kindness, the COVID edition, and it's all about doing something nice. As I talk a little bit about it, I'm going to show you a card that I made. A lot of us are card makers or artists, and we can share our art form with someone else, whether or not you want to make a card for somebody who's on the front lines, an essential worker, or even somebody who's in retail, or make some cards for a local nursing home or a nursing home across the country, or maybe even just a child whose world has been turned upside down and could use a little bit of cheering up. So go ahead and make a card or a care package and send it out. After you've sent it, if you've received a note back or any kind of response back, share that with us. Let us know how it made the recipient feel that you've done this. It could be a text or a note or even a video, as long as you have permission to do that. So let us know how the recipient received this. Another part of this is get kids involved. Maybe you have kids in the neighborhood you want to share your paper crafting supplies with. You could give them card bases and envelopes with stamps and have them make their own kind of cards and send back. It's always nice to see kids get involved and do something creative. There's lots of kids who are doing schoolwork and they could use something positive to do. Another part of this collab is there is a hashtag. So after if you want to show us how you've made the card, go ahead and share it in the comment section, and I'll make a list of all those who are joining this collab. If you'd like to just do it and not join it, if you want to post on Instagram, use the hashtag. Okay, so again, the rules are pretty simple. Go ahead and make a card or care package, send it out, record the outcome if possible, and use the hashtag and let us follow along and see how you did. Go ahead and put in the comment section if you want to join along. Let's see what we've made by May 1st. But you know, this is something that as long as we're quarantined and our lives have changed, there's nothing wrong with doing something kind for someone else. So thanks for listening. I'll be talking to you soon. This is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums.